I'm kicking off the CAT 21 batch online and in Pune. Tomorrow I'm giving the workshop in Pune, which is Friday. Saturday it's online. And next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll be traveling to various locations in Mumbai. So if you are preparing for the CAT exam, please attend this workshop. Next week, I'll be in Nasik, Nagpur. Then I'll be planning to have the workshop in Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata and Chennai as well. So just call the numbers given here. My team will help you out with the exact location, exact timings for this week. Pune का कल है, आगे का आता जाएगा. Well, keep you announcing on my channel as well. Guys, now a lot of B schools are now opening up after IIM Indore. Now even IIM Calcutta is allowing the student to come and study from the campus. So a lot of students are unable to study at home. So what they are doing, the colleges are doing, so they are trying to invite them on campus, but in phases, in batches. So 25% of the first year and second year students of IIM Calcutta are now allowed to come to campus. So that's a very good news. Of course, we have to wait for the COVID wave 3 as well. So there are two options given to the students. So campuses are opening up. Okay, so you can either study from here, campus, or you can study from home. Both the options are there. Now, both the sites have their own advantages and disadvantages. Now, the campuses which are opening up have a hostel. If you go to the college, you have to pay for the hostel fees. If you study from home, you don't need to pay for the hostel fees. But again, that depends from college to college. Whichever college you're joining, you need to confirm with them. Okay, point number one. Number two, a lot of colleges are like day scholar. There's no hostel provided. You have to stay off campus. For example, a lot of colleges in Mumbai and Delhi also have no campus, have no hostel. So you have to look for your own accommodation. Or even if they have hostels, very expensive. So students look for the accommodation outside. For example, Willinkar, SIS, a lot of students opt to stay outside. So what in that case, if you come and stay in Mumbai, for example, you cannot take a room on rent on a monthly basis or weekly basis. You have to pay for a brokerage, you have to take the room on rent for the next 1 year or maybe 2 years, depending on your college. So in that case, I don't recommend coming right now because wave 3 aa gaya, again you might have to go back, this and that. So wherever you are, stay put. I know you're missing the campus life, this and that, but आप मुंबई में accommodation लेने जाओगे, it'll be very expensive. Trust me, yaar, you have to shell out around 3 to 4 lakh rupees on and above your this thing. तो your food and all तो अलग ही है. तो my recommendation is stay put, stay at home only. Don't come to places like this. But if the college have a hostel and you are getting the hostel, then you take a call. Then I would recommend कि yes, please do come because the peer learning, all these things. Trust me, the campuses, the way you want to join the campus also want it because the campus is incomplete without the student. I've been to IIM Ahmedabad campus once when there was no classes going on, and trust me, yaar, it's not the vibes in Idhawala, the vibe you get when the classes are there. Okay, so camps are starting up. So all the best. Enjoy your day. So things are improving now. The only problem is we have to just wait and watch for the wave 3. So what do you think? What is your call on that? Whether the campus should open or should not open? I think yes, the campus should open. See, they can work in silo now. The way you are living in a society, your home with your family and all, same way students can live together as a family. Cut out from the outside world. Yeah, I went to IIM Shillong, they didn't allow me to enter the college. I went to IIM Indore, they didn't allow me to enter the college. So, which is understandable. Bahar ke log allowed nahi hai. So that way I think they can survive. The college can open up. What do you think about this? Please do comment. And in case you are based in Pune, please attend my workshop tomorrow in Pune. So next week I will be taking the workshop in Mumbai and next week in Nasik and Nagpur. All the best.